Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, 2025. I am here at Florida Yacht Club, and this is Shady Lady. I did bring some trim tab zincs to put on it, but we had a little bit of a mistake, and we brought R4s, and it looks like R3 trim tabs zincs are what you use. So I'm going to put that in the notes that we'll need to bring those. Your transom zinc, I also had a note to replace it, but your transom zinc still looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the video for the whole clean and show you the transom zinc while I do that. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.